everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this tutorial, we will be learning how to recover a Coinbase account. Recovering your Coinbase account depends on the reason you lost access to it. So here's how you can approach the situation. First of all, go ahead and open a web browser. Type in coinbase.com in the URL box. You will then end up in the main homepage for Coinbase. Click on the sign in button at the top right corner and it'll take you to the login area where you can enter your Coinbase account's credentials. Go ahead and enter your email address and then click on continue. On the next page, it'll prompt you to enter your password. If you've forgotten your password or you're having trouble signing in, click the forgot password button. Now, enter your email address that you are currently using for Coinbase in the text box and click on reset password. You will now receive a reset instructions sent for your password via email. Open up a new tab and log into your email service provider that is currently linked with Coinbase. You will receive an email from Coinbase. Simply click it open and click on choose a new password. Enter your new password and repeat it once again in the text boxes. While entering your password, make sure that the password is strong and meets these criteria. Re-enter the password once again in the last text box just to confirm, and finally click on the update button. Once you do that, you will be able to change your password and therefore recover your Coinbase account. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.